Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how we can use Query Browser, which is an app in SAP Fiori, which is very useful. It's like the ABAP query of Fiori. Okay, so here you go to Query Browser. Okay, here you can see it's already there, and I'll click on it, and here you can see all these queries. So now you might say how to use it. So you can select as favorites and all those things which you like. Okay, so here you can see show all and show favorites. Okay, so here I will click on one and I'll show how to use it. I'll click on one and I'll click on open for analysis. The moment I do that, okay, here you can see all the data. So here you can select it in this format, chart and table. You can click it. It's like this, wonderful. It's like heaven for everyone, right? You could never believe that you can do this inside SAP using without doing any coding or something. It's all out of the box, ready for use. Okay, so here you can see you can select chart settings. You can select the totals. So if you click on totals, it will do the show totals, and you click OK, and it will show the totals in the top. Perfect things that you want. Now here you can see swap access. You can do information. So if I click on information, here you can see the number of days and all those things. And now here, if I want, I can share it like this. I can send it in an email. I can save it as a tile. Okay, and I export to an MS Excel. Okay, now here if I want to do it like this, it will show like this. So let me go back to the original one, and here if you see, you can click on filters. So suppose I put filter, suppose I want to see only company code 1710. Okay, I don't know whether there would be something. So if I do 1710 and I click go, and here you see I just get only this. So here you can see, you can click on the show filter bar. Okay, so you can see here there is a filter done, other filters you can put. So these are the different things you can add. So this is very useful. And here we can click on cancel. So that this is very important, and you can use it very heavily. Okay, now here if you want, I let's go to another one. So this was one of the query browser. Let's go to the this one, which is, let's see whether we have something. We select this, we click on, and we click on open for analysis again. And here you can see some data already there. So here the same thing, you can do this thing. You click on this, it shows the bar. It's perfect. You can again send it, same thing. Now let's go to check something else, and these are all out of the box. No one has designed, SAP has given this out of the box. I'll check some material related stuff. That's because materials is heavily used by everyone. So let's see. I'll just check material basic data. Okay, probably, and I'll just do a customer also. Okay, let's see. We'll do open for analysis, and here you can see all the data related with material master. Okay, so here you can see it's the material type is this, and here if you want to click on filters, you can put filters here, and I'll click on cancel here. I want to see, I love this view where you can see the different types of things it does. So if I click here, it doesn't add up for these things, but for app other types of process, it really adds up. So let me go and check some of the customer things that I saw. So if I go scroll down, so there's some, let's see, materials. So you have balance sheet also, and so here you can see the cost center. Let's see the cost center piece. I'll click on this. I'll click on open for analysis, and here you can see the cost center analysis. Okay, it will tell you the cost center details and all those things. Let's see, it's churning, and sometimes if you don't have authorization, it may blow up. So I think it's stuck now. Yep. saying recover web page is not responding. No, it's probably the site not secure. Okay, for some reason give me this. Now it will probably show up. Yes. So this is the, if you are habituated to the SAP system, it used to be round like this. Sometimes it used to be slow, and people used to say it was the circle of death. But now it's like this thing. But for some reason, it's not working in this side. Okay, so let's go back. I'll hit the back button a bunch of time. Let's see, and we'll see whether that brings down the system. Okay, so let me see more options. This not recommended. Okay, now it shows. Okay, that's good. So let's go to, and we'll try to use one customer piece. Okay, so let's go scroll down, and there would be something related with customer. Yes, so you have customer data. So let's see customer company code data. Let's see this one. So we'll click on this, open for analysis. Okay, and here you can see no data this way. There's nothing to do. There's no on the row or axis. Okay, there's no data. It's fine. We'll find something, actual cash flow. Is there something for this analysis? 90 days. I think this is also empty. So what I'll do, I'll go back, hit the back button, and there is cash discount utilization. Probably we don't have in the system, we didn't take discounts, so I just want to make sure we get into another one. So let's say processing time. This is nice, so we can see this one. We'll click on open for analysis, and we'll see the processing time. So here you can see the processing time. Since I think we don't have filters for this, but it's showing 1710 only. So let's see the processing time, aging analysis. Let's see this one. This would be interesting. See the aging, if there is any data in the system. So there is some data. So you can see this is the aging analysis, and I think, yeah. So this is really nice out of the box. If we had different company codes, then it would have been better. Since we didn't have much activity in this system, it's not showing much. Let's see the chart of accounts, the bread and butter for the finance folks. Okay, so if I see there's nothing here, it's paused. We can refresh. So there's nothing here for the chart of accounts. And sometimes you need to do some configuration to get the data. Since there is no data here, it's not showing. Let's see another piece. We'll just try to get into first supply general data. So let's see this one. We can probably click on open for analysis, and here you can see the different vendors and all those things. So if you want to see the different vendors based on, you can see all this. So it's China, Japan, France, and all. So you can add more measures. Okay, this is really nice, this piece. So if you click on this, it will take you. So this is really nice out of the box. SAP S4 HANA in the Fiori portion. You have it query browser, and there are lots of queries, ad hoc queries that is already built that you can use. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it, and happy SAP learning.